Hi, this is Leah from BitOgenius, and today I'm going to show you how to make and play the Brick Breaker game type in Pixicade Mobile Game Maker. In this game type, you will use the paddle to bounce and return the ball to the goals above. Collect all goals while avoiding the hazards. First, you will need to draw your game. Grab a white piece of paper and black, green, blue, red, and purple markers. We recommend using the Pixicade Mobile Game Maker markers because they are specially colored to work in the widest variety of lighting scenarios, so your photos come out just right. You can get Pixicade markers by buying the Pixicade box kit, or you can buy them individually on Amazon. Use black to create the boundaries, walls, and other elements that you want your ball to bounce off of. Use green to draw your ball or puck. The ball will bounce off of the paddle and break the bricks. Use purple to draw your paddles. You will drag the paddles side to side to bounce the ball off of it. The paddles can only go side to side, so make sure the path is clear. Use blue to draw the bricks or goals. Use red to draw hazards and make your game more challenging. If the green ball hits red, it's game over. Once your drawing is ready, click Create on the home screen. Then, scroll and click the Brick Breaker button to take your picture. Line up the camera, make sure you have good lighting, and nothing else is in the picture except your drawing. If your picture looks good in the preview, click Next. Now you are in the photo editor. Here you can crop, flip, and rotate your photo. When you're done editing your photo, click Create to finish uploading your game. It will take about 30 seconds for your game to load. Drag the green ball to start the game. You will see a green dotted line that represents the direction the ball will go when you let go. Drag the purple paddle back and forth on the screen to bounce the ball off of it and break the bricks. You can use power-ups to edit and enhance your game. Play around to explore all of the awesome things you can do with power-ups. Or read the books that came in the Pixicade Mobile Game Maker kit for in-depth instructions on how to use many of the power-ups. If your game is too hard or you're unhappy with it, try again with a new drawing. Trial and error is part of the game design process. If you have any more questions, you can email us at support@bitogenius.com, and we are happy to help you. Enjoy creating and playing your own video games with Pixicade Mobile Game Maker.